Okay, so I'm opening up 2 Pokemon cards. Beep, boop. Anyway. So this Blitzle pack. Shush. Anyway, let's start with the Blitzle pack. So, it's a code card. I'm going to keep this. This is a new code card. You guys can have that. So anyway, I have this special like little shiny Blitzle. Little shining Blitzle boy. And a Dragonite coin. I'm going to open up the window, get some more light. Time for more lights! And then God said, let there be light. Anyway. So there's this. Very nice. I gotta move closer on. But please skip forward, but like to the part where I've opened up the next like, packs and stuff. So I open up like, the next thing. Okay, so anyway. And now tapping pack. Same coin, different card. Another pack. This time a different pack. You can have that code too. You guys can have all these packs. You guys can have any codes that like I'm gonna give you guys like a bunch of codes. But here we are, and shiny, basically like the shiny little Blitzle boy, but epic. So yeah, I have this one and this one. I'm gonna start with the fusion deck. Okay. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3 for the front. I'm gonna guess the energy is electric. It was grass. Okay. I have the Dancer. I have a Pangoro. I have a Grapploct. I have a Slugma. I have a Skitty. I have a Phalanx. I have a Choodle. I have a Volui. I have a Reverse Holo Persian, and the rare is a Maractus. Okay. That's time to open up the next pack. This Genesect pack. Another code to you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess the card is fire. It was fire! That's amazing. Anyway, I have the Cross Receiver. I got a Sliggoo. A Chloritza. Bunch of cards. I have a little Cufant. I have an Impidimp. I have an adorable little Snom. I like him. I got an Onyx. I got an adorable Jigglypuff. A Reverse Holo Pansear. And the rare is Palossand. That's it.